A technical trader is using a trend line like never seen before. A technical trader is using a trend line like never seen before. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis. Guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. And our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. The title of the video is a technical trader is using a trend line like never seen before. This is a short tutorial, and within 10 minutes, I will reveal to traders a different way, a unique way that one can use a trend line. All right? Generally, when traders are drawing a trend line, traders very often will combine or will join a low and a higher low. Trader will also join a high and a lower high. This is the general method that traders use when they are drawing trend line. All right? But there is another way that traders can draw a trend line, and this is also very effective way of drawing a trend line. If you are using the slow stochastic, the RSI indicator, the CCI oscillator, or any momentum oscillator, you must always use trend lines. They are powerful tools that will reveal to us, hidden, overshown, and overbought zones. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, pay attention. On these charts, we are looking at the Chevron Corporation, Epic CVX, Charlie Victor X-Ray, on a monthly charts. It's a stock that is listed on a Dow Jones Index, American stock. And the strategy that we are discussing here, though we are looking on a monthly chart of Chevron, we can apply the same method for the euro dollar, for the dollar yen, for the currencies, for the forex market. We can apply the same method for commodities, all right, any financial instrument. Though I'm using a monthly chart for Chevron, we can apply this strategy on an hourly chart, 50-minute chart, 30-minute chart, yearly chart, any time frame. So it doesn't matter the financial instrument that we are trading, and it does not matter which time frame that we are on, okay? So pay attention and promise me that you will remember to apply this method, okay? Because sometimes traders will learn something, but because they don't do it very often, they forget about it. So try to remember, what I'm going to discuss today in this video, all right? So on this monthly chart, you can see that Chevron stock, American stock, went up and displayed this high here. And then it pulled back a bit and displayed a second high. Professional day traders, swing traders, very often will join a high and a higher high. But ordinary traders very often will draw their trend line in a normal way, combining or joining a low and a higher high, a low and a higher low. All right, they will combine a low and a higher low, or they will combine a high and a lower high. But professional traders will join a high, will also join a high and a higher high. It is an excellent way to pinpoint the best overbought and oversold zone. So pay attention to this line that I draw here, join this point and this point here, these 2 points here. So we have our turquoise line on the chart, okay? So what are we looking for? So it's just there for us because the price did not go above it yet, and we are watching it. So you can see after that, we leave it on our chart, okay? And then we see here, price went down, here, and then slowly the price went back up to touch it here. So because you see the price was going up and touch it here is a resistance level. This trend line that we have drawn is a resistance level. But if we did not draw this line here, join this high and this higher high, we will not know that this is a resistance zone. Though there is a small resistance here, but the trend line is telling us there is a resistance here. The professional knew that that line was there. You can see that they took some profit here. So stock was going up, Chevron was going up. As he touched that line, they took profit, yes or no? So it's good to know where are these hidden trend lines that will allow us to find hidden overbought and oversold zone or target zone or conversion point. So here, as a day trader, suppose you were here and you see here, come up here, it's touching here. You may switch to your 50-minute chart or 5-minute chart, and then you will watch the reaction of the price at this point in time. A TSTW24 trader will know that this is a resistance zone. So you switch to your first best time frame, looking for bearish chart pattern, and take it from there on the edge of this trend line without assuming anything. You see here, a high and a higher high. Another way to draw a trend line. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, so we have finished with the turquoise line. Now pay attention to the red line here. Okay, how did I draw this red trend line on my chart? So again, for the chevron stock, I joined the low here, this low here, and this high here. But remember, very often trader will join a low and a higher high. Sorry. Trader very often, commonly, will join a low and a higher low. But what I have done here, I have joined a low and a higher high, which is not, okay, the common way of drawing a trend line, a low and a higher high. So this is allowing me to draw the red line. So after this point, what the price did, the price pulled back, and then we just leave it on our chart, okay? So here we are, suddenly the price came here. Look at this candle here. We are on a monthly chart. It pierced through it, but trader took profit. Professional, you see how they sold it. They took profit. Those who were buying before, they took profit on the edge of this trend line. As a day trader, you want to draw these lines on a higher time frame, and then you switch to the lower time frame to look for bearish chart pattern, bullish chart pattern, and then make excellent, beautiful day trading or swing trading decisions. Here, all right. See how it was. So leaving this red line, joining a low and a higher high, allow us to pinpoint a hidden. So if we put, for instance, the stochastic on the chart, it will become overbought here, RSI will become overbought here, CCL will become overbought here, and then we apply a top-down trading method, gently, or we use the TSCW24 for day trading purposes on the edge of this red trend line. Now we have finished with this red trend line. Let's, I promise that we want to record this within 10 minutes. Okay, let's see, we talked about 7 minutes. Okay, let's go to the green trend line here. Again, look again. I join a high. Okay, let's highlight them. So we join this high here. Okay, and this high here on the monthly chart. We can leave this line on our chart and extend it, and then switch, for instance, to the hourly chart and see the reaction of the price. You see the price went down after, so we join it after this point, and this point we draw it. So price went down, nothing has happened. We say, oh, what's happening to our trend line? Okay, this method is not working. Few months later, here it is, it touched it. What has happened? Traders took profit again on the edge of the trend line. This is overbought again here, and sometimes we'll see a bit of reaction. So day trader, swing trader, you want to take advantage of those opportunities. So here again, price pull back to rally up to touch the trend line. Do not assume that it's going to go down, and do not assume that it's going to go up also. Just follow the price and use a valid trading method to take advantage of the reaction of the price at this point in time. Okay, it makes sense. It's also powerful. So we have joined a high and a higher high, a low, okay, and a higher high. Okay, we can also join a high and a lower low. Nothing can stop us to draw line on our own charts. Okay, so we have finished now with the green line here. The next level that we are watching, the next trend line that I have drawn on my chart is the orange line here. Are you with me? So we join a high and a low. This high here, we join into this low. Now the question mark now, the price did not touch it here. Will it drop? Will chevron drop slowly and touch the orange line here on the dot? That remains to be seen. So we just leave it on our chart as it is now. The price is far away from it. We can leave this on our chart, extend it, and then maybe we switch to the daily chart if the price is approaching this level and see whether we're going to see some reaction here. If it's happening, what do we need to do? We will take advantage of it as a hunters. It makes sense? It is also powerful. This is about a technical trader is using a trend line like never seen before. I have one more example I want to show you quickly on this chart. This time we'll look at Johnson & Johnson stock. This is a very, very bullish stock, okay, listed on the Dow Jones Index, okay. So if you are selling this stock, be very, very careful, all right? I warn you now, very, very bullish stock. Okay, so we join again here, Johnson & Johnson, again on the monthly chart. As I explained to you, though I'm using a monthly chart here, we can apply this on the 50-minute chart, 5-minute chart, any time frame, daily chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, yearly chart, quarterly chart, any time frame, you name it, you can apply it on any time frame, okay? Get it. You can apply it for commodity, we can apply it for euro dollar, for the forex market, and for currencies, okay? So this will allow us to identify hidden, overbought, and oversold zone, and all we do, we just watch the reaction of the price at that point in time. It makes sense? So here we are, we join this high and this higher high. This is a bit of a strange way of drawing a trend line. Remember, the common way of drawing a trend line is to join a high and a lower high. Now here we join a high and a higher high, okay, on a higher time frame. Then we can switch to a lower time frame for day trading and swing trading for purposes. Here, the price did not even touch the trend line, but as the price was approaching that zone, there were traders that were, you see, they were buying before, and this is why you should understand. They were buying before the price come near. They want to take profit here. They don't want to hang around. They take profit on here, this trend line here, okay. Let's see whether we can do a little bit more. Let's join these two here. So what am I doing now? What I'm doing now, I'm joining this one here and this one here. So this is the common normal trend line, joining a high and a lower high. Okay, what I've done now, okay, the red line here. A high and a lower high. It makes sense? It makes sense? We can also join a low and a lower low. Have you ever done before? So don't be afraid. We can join, normally traders join a low and a higher low. But we can join a low and a lower low. So we can join this low here and a lower low. A low and a lower low. Okay? As we have done here, a high and a higher high. We can also join a low and a lower low. This will allow us to identify a hidden, oversold, and overbought resistance zone. It makes sense? It makes sense? Do not be afraid to draw a trend line. So if I join this point again, this point here, okay, watch it carefully, carefully, carefully. What I've done now, I'm joining this low, join it, okay, and then just wait and watch the reaction of the price. So joining this low and this high here. All right, that's it. So here, you see price was going up. As it come near that trend line, there were a bit of a reaction here. It was a bit messy here, but look carefully, carefully, carefully. All right? It makes sense? It also powerful. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to find, okay, trading setup along the trend line. When we see the trading setup, we can validate the trade setup and apply a top-down trading method. So we see the setup as a TSCW24 trader, we can go to the first best time frame for trading, okay, for day trading purposes. We can apply this strategy for day trading or swing trading, okay? It makes sense. We can also use this method of drawing trend line, okay, to manage the trade. So when we enter the trade here, we have some line and the price coming near. What do we need to do? We can exit the trade there before it's too late. So if you didn't know that this trend line was here, if you don't know how to draw this trend line, you don't know there's a resistance here. Suppose you want to buy here. If you draw the trend line, you say, I don't want to buy here. I would prefer to buy above the trend line. So by drawing the trend line like this will allow you also to manage the trade, to exit the trade, and to know also the best place to buy. So suppose you are here, you say, okay, this is a bullish signal here, I want to buy. No, don't buy there. Allow you to go above the trend line, retest, and then from there, you take it from above, not below. Because you see, there is a resistance there. But if you didn't know that you can join a high and a higher high, you will know that there is a resistance here. So joining the trend line, drawing a trend line like this, will allow us, okay, to identify not only the hidden overbought and oversold zone, we can also identify hidden support and resistance levels. It makes sense? It makes sense? All right, it makes sense. Let's draw another line quickly here. Okay, so don't be afraid to draw on your chart because it is your chart. You can draw on it. So look at what I've done now. This one, this level here. All right, and this level here. I would like to inform traders that the algorithm traders, the trading software, apply the trend line like this to determine hidden support and resistance level. That's why sometimes the price will run very fast. High frequency traders are using this method to pinpoint the best place to buy or to exit the trade. So you may say, what is the resistance? Why is the price going down suddenly? But because of this, so I join this one, and a low and a high. Okay, a low and a high. So that's the last line that I drawn here. Let's color it into orange. Okay, check it out. A low and a high, and look, that's where the price stopped. So the price did not touch this one, a high and a higher low, which is the blue line, did not touch it, but touched the orange line. You see what's happening in this messy market? So we are talking about navigation, knowing where to buy, when to sell, where to exit the trade, when to enter the trade. Navigation, all right? It's all about navigation, and the trend line will allow you to draw the trend line, to navigate through this messy market, okay? So this is the end of this essential tutorial about a technical trader. Is using a trend line like never seen before. One can join a high and a higher high. One can join a low and a lower low. One can join a high and a low. One can join a low and a high. All right? All the combination we can draw trend line as we want to determine hidden overbought, oversold, support, and resistance level, and also to exit, to know the best place to exit the trade, the best place to enter the trade, and also to determine, okay, high probability trade setup or conversion points. If you like this video, all right, please give us the thumbs up, all right. If you dislike it, please make sure you give us the thumbs down, all right. If you love it, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you love our videos, okay, it's time to subscribe to our channel. Check the description section and subscribe to our channel so you do not miss, okay, our recordings. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about a technical trader is using a trend line like never seen before. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders. Speak to you soon.